In this segment, we'll learn about configuring priority in Zervise. Go to Admin Settings and select Priority under the General Settings. Each priority has a response time and resolution time. These defines the SLA for the tickets that are assigned these priorities. You can filter or sort tickets based on the assigned priority. Go inside the ticket to update the priority of any ticket. Existing priorities can be edited from the admin screen. You can create a new priority from the admin settings. You can also delete any priority except the default ones, urgent, high, medium, low, from the admin settings.